DaVinci Resolve Studio and fast editing DaVinci Resolve keyboard unboxing video. So I could go now and then I could record a clip where I'm like picking up this box and saying like, ooh, I just got this box and I'm going to unbox it. So we could see how that would look like. Just received a package with a quick editing keyboard for DaVinci Resolve. And the reason why I wanted that one was actually because I wanted the DaVinci Resolve Studio. It's an editing software. And then like made sense just to buy the keyboard, because then you get like the software for free, right? Just remember, if something is for free, then you are the product. Anyways, so I received this X5 from Insta360 yesterday, and I know from the X4 that the sound is not very good. So the thing I want to do in this video, I want to unbox the keyboard, and then I want to record some sound with this one and see if the sound is good, and then I'll see if I can improve it using the DaVinci Resolve AI. And then I could be like very excited and like unboxing the box, and inside the box there would be the DaVinci Resolve Studio key and the keyboard. So now I'm going to open the box and see what's inside the box. Whoa! What I bought is inside the box. Whoa, it's like the DaVinci Resolve Speed Editor keyboard that's inside the box. So let's open the box inside the box. Whoa, inside the box, in the box, there's the Speed Editor keyboard that I ordered. Whoa! But this is actually like what I wanted, was the Studio Resolve, right? Because I want to do some edit stuff, right? So that's actually why I bought it. So remember, like if something is free, then it's not free, you are the product. Anyways, I wanted the DaVinci Resolve 19 Studio Edition. And ooh, there's a crappy cable inside to connect it. So the thing is, that's not really what I want this channel to be about, like unboxing stuff, right? I don't really care what's inside the box. I care about what we can do with, potentially can do with what's inside the box. Yeah, and then when we are finished with like the unboxing thing, then we can take like a camera and then we can go and look at it and make it like look very, very nice. Then we can do some crazy shots with like an X5 camera, so like the video of the unboxing is like amazing and people can, oh, I need to turn on the camera. Boo! So like the video is like amazing and we can like look how nice it did make the introduction, like going up and down. So the thing with like business is like we need to consider like different things, and there's something called like second order consequence, and there's like a thing, every bad decision starts with a good idea, right? So like the idea is to get a plan. The idea is to break these. Oh, that's probably not a good idea. Or like to get the DaVinci Resolve, or to get the speed editing keyboard. The thing is that, what is the second order consequence? Oh, so now I have a powerful editing tool and a thing, but maybe your computer sucks. Maybe you only have a screen. Maybe you need to go out and then get like one of these. This is like a Samsung OLED 49 screen. But then when you get that, then you realize, oh, maybe I need a smaller screen next to it, right? Because like it's not always good just to have one big screen. It's better to have a small screen and a big screen, so you find that out. But then your computer can't run the screen. And then you need a new computer and second order consequences. We need to like consider that. I find that much more interesting, right? So if we look at this DaVinci thing, right, and we like look at the risk, reward, a little bit of constraint, right? time, cost of time, right? So if we say that, like, so right now I like making PowerPoint videos, and I do the PowerPoint videos, I remove the background using something called Runway, has an AI to remove the background. I think that is awesome, amazing, but it takes some time, and I'm limited to 15-minute videos. Else I have to go in like in CapCut or Premiere Pro or DaVinci, and then I cut it apart, and then upload the pieces and then put them back together. It's much easier with like, so DaVinci Resolve should have an AI function, so I can do this locally, and then it's like instant, so I don't have to wait. So that would be much better, much faster for me. So like every time I would edit a video, I would at least save like 15 minutes to do that. And then if I can get the speed editor thing to work, then I would like save another 15 minutes. It's the same thing. I upload the videos, and then I do the improvement of sound with AI. So DaVinci has that built in. So I need to test that and see like, can I do that locally? Because that would save me quite a lot of time. I think we need to consider that is like, again, okay, so I would save like maybe 30 minutes, but how often do I do this, right? Okay, so I do it X amount of time. So maybe I do this, if I do it once per month, right? And I save half an hour, and then we say in Denmark, the salary is like $20 for half an hour. And then we're like, okay, so to get to the price for buying the studio and the mini thing, then it's like a few years before it's paid off. So maybe there would be better options to invest our money in, instead of that. So that's like more what I think is interesting, and like what I'm going to talk more about on this channel. Right? I'm sorry, the unboxing sucks. Subscribe to the channel, give it a like, give it a dislike, write what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, bye.